Did you know that gaining weight can be just as tricky as losing it? It's true, many people struggle to put on pounds even when they eat lots of food. It's not always as simple as just eating more. Sometimes our lives are so busy that cooking feels impossible, or maybe you're just not a fan of spending hours in the kitchen. That's where a no-cook meal plan comes in handy. Imagine this, a meal plan packed with delicious calorie-dense foods, all prepared without even turning on the stove. Sounds good, right? This 5-day no-cook meal plan is designed to help you gain weight quickly and easily. No fancy recipes, no complicated cooking techniques, just simple, satisfying meals that will help you pack on the pounds. We get it, life can get hectic. Juggling work, family and social commitments often leaves little time for elaborate meal prep. And let's face it, not everyone is a master chef. But that shouldn't stop you from achieving your weight gain goals. Let's dive into the plan. For the first 2 days, we'll focus on easy-to-find staples that are high in calories and protein. Breakfast, start your day with a power-pack smoothie. Blend together a banana, a scoop of peanut butter, a handful of spinach, and a cup of full-fat milk. Lunch, enjoy a hearty salad with plenty of protein and healthy fats. Think canned tuna, chickpeas, avocado, and a simple olive oil dressing. Dinner, keep it simple with whole wheat wraps filled with smoked salmon, cream cheese, and cucumber. Snacks, fuel your body throughout the day with snacks like trail mix, Greek yogurt with honey, or a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Section 5. Day 3 and 4. Power up your calorie intake. In this section, we will focus on incorporating nutrient-rich, calorie-dense foods into your diet to ensure you are meeting your weight gain goals effectively and healthily. As we move into days 3 and 4, we'll introduce even more calorie-dense options to keep your weight gain on track. These meals are designed to be both delicious and packed with the nutrients your body needs to build muscle and maintain energy levels throughout the day. For breakfast, indulge in a bowl of overnight oats made with rolled oats, chia seeds, full-fat milk, and your favorite berries. This combination not only provides a high-calorie start to your day, but also ensures you get a good mix of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. The chia seeds add an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for overall health. When it comes to lunch, opt for a satisfying salad with grilled chicken or tofu, quinoa, black beans, corn, and a dollop of guacamole. This meal is not only calorie-dense, but also rich in protein and fiber, which will help keep you full and energized throughout the afternoon. The guacamole adds healthy fats, making this salad a well-rounded option for your midday meal. For dinner, enjoy a simple yet delicious meal of canned sardines, packed in olive oil, whole-grain crackers, and a side of cottage cheese. Sardines are an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while the whole-grain crackers provide complex carbohydrates to fuel your body. The cottage cheese adds an extra dose of protein and calcium, making this meal both nutritious and satisfying. And don't forget to continue snacking strategically with options like hard-boiled eggs, cheese and crackers, or a handful of almonds. These snacks are not only convenient, but also packed with protein and healthy fats, which are crucial for muscle growth and recovery. By incorporating these snacks into your daily routine, you can ensure that you are consistently fueling your body with the calories and nutrients it needs to achieve your weight gain goals. Section 6, Day 5. Finish strong, see results. This is the final stretch of our journey, and it's crucial to maintain the momentum we've built over the past few days. By focusing on nutrient-rich, calorie-dense foods, we can ensure that our efforts culminate in the desired results. On the final day, we'll maintain our focus on nutrient-rich, calorie-dense foods to help you reach your weight gain goals. These foods are not only packed with essential nutrients, but also provide the energy needed to fuel your body throughout the day. For breakfast, kick off your day with a protein-packed breakfast burrito. This meal is designed to give you a strong start, providing the necessary proteins and carbs to keep you energized. Simply wrap scrambled eggs, cheese, and black beans in a whole wheat tortilla. The combination of these ingredients ensures a balanced intake of proteins, fats, and fibers, setting a solid foundation for the day ahead. For lunch, enjoy a refreshing and filling salad with leftover grilled chicken or tofu, mixed greens, chopped vegetables, and a light vinaigrette. This meal is not only nutritious but also versatile, allowing you to mix and match ingredients based on your preferences. Dinner will be a treat with a delicious and easy no-cook sushi bowl. This meal is perfect for those who want a quick yet satisfying dinner option. Combine cooked sushi rice, smoked salmon, avocado, edamame, and a drizzle of soy sauce. The blend of these ingredients offers a delightful mix of textures and flavors, making it a perfect end to your day. And to keep your energy levels high, snack on options like a small avocado with salt and pepper. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and provide a creamy, satisfying snack. A handful of trail mix or a protein bar. These snacks are convenient and packed with nutrients, ensuring you stay fueled between meals. Remember, finishing strong is about consistency and making mindful choices that support your goals. Keep pushing forward and you'll see the results you've worked so hard for. Section 7. Craveable Calories Mealtime Champions. In this section, we celebrate the meals that not only satisfy our hunger but also bring joy and convenience to our daily routines. Throughout this 5-day plan, there are a few standout meals that deserve special recognition for their deliciousness and ease of preparation. These meals are not just about filling your stomach, they are about nourishing your body and soul with every bite. The ultimate smoothie. This power-packed blend of banana, peanut butter, spinach and full-fat milk is a fantastic way to start your day with a boost of calories and nutrients. Imagine waking up to a creamy, delicious smoothie that not only tastes great, but also fuels your body for the day ahead. It's quick to make, easy to customize, and perfect for those busy mornings when you need something nutritious on the go. The no-fuss salad. Don't underestimate the power of a well-built salad. A salad can be a vibrant, colorful, and incredibly satisfying meal when done right. It's all about the balance of flavors and textures. Think crisp greens, juicy tomatoes, crunchy nuts, and a tangy dressing that ties everything together. Load yours up with protein, healthy fats, and plenty of fresh vegetables for a satisfying and calorie-rich meal. Adding grilled chicken, creamy avocado, and a variety of mixed vegetables can turn a simple salad into a hearty feast that keeps you full and energized throughout the day. The Wrapstar whole wheat wraps are incredibly versatile and make a great base for a quick and easy meal. Whether you're at home or on the go, wraps can be your best friend. They are perfect for packing in a variety of ingredients, making them a convenient option for lunch or dinner. Fill them with your favorite protein, cheese and veggies for a satisfying and portable option. Think of a wrap filled with tender chicken, melted cheese and fresh veggies, all rolled up into a delicious handheld meal. It's not just about convenience, it's about enjoying a meal that is both tasty and nutritious, no matter where you are. Section 8. No Sweat or Gain, your simple path to a healthier you. This 5-day no-cook meal plan is designed to make gaining weight as simple and stress-free as possible. By focusing on readily available, nutrient-rich foods, you can fuel your body for healthy weight gain without spending hours in the kitchen. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the plan as closely as possible to see the best results, and don't be afraid to adjust portion sizes to fit your individual needs and appetite.